going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We are jumping back into the trailer, doing the last bits that we have to do before we are ready for primer on all of this, and that is going to be sanding the bondo on the bedsides. So we just have to get these all nice and smooth, make our transitions look nice on both this front side and on the stuff on the back, and then we'll be ready to prime these. And that'll just be waiting around for the weather. But before we jump into this, go down, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the action. I'll give you a few seconds to do that, and then we'll jump into the video. And the sanding is finally complete on these. It has taken a while to get this right, but this is something that, you know, it's worth taking the time to get it just how I want it rather than trying to rush through it. And it has been a pain, I will say that. Trying to get all these things sanded nice and smooth, make sure there's no holes in it. But I'm happy with how it's turned out though. And I think it looks great. So now we are basically just waiting on the weather to come together, And being at this time of year in South Carolina, it's cold. So just kind of waiting around to see if we can get a nice, 65-degree day or so where we can get the primer and stuff sprayed on this so we can start the sanding process of the primer. But we're just waiting. So that's the unfortunate part of this, is that we're ready for the next step, but we just have to wait on the weather to cooperate in order till we get there. So that's going to be it for this one. Happy with where we're at. Tired of sanding. I'm done with it, but I know we have a lot more sanding to do for the primer. And this is really the nice finishing steps of it. It's where everything comes together. But thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Stick around for the next video, and I'll see you.